Flair, so you're the developer. I thought you'd be in a pond hiding under the scum where you'd feel at home.
Oh, Hogan, it's wonderful as always to see you again. Hey, Macho Man, last time I saw your face, man, it was under my shoe.
What are you doing with your time now that you're a washed-up ex-wrestler, Flair?
You know what they say, brother. Those who can do. Those who can't don't.
Well, if that's the case, you'll appreciate this. For starters, man, I bought the property. You got it? In a week, it'll all be mine. But today, I'm here because I'm closing the gym down, big boy.
You can't do that.
Oh, little lady, that's where you're wrong. I'm the nature boy. I've got the documents. Soon, this'll all be condos. It'll all be mine. Woo!
Why don't you put your money where your sorry excuse for a mouth is, Flair?
Hey, Hogan, as usual, your words hit harder than your fist, man.
A fight, one-on-one, no holds barred, winner take all. All this property, Flair.
Oh, man, doesn't that sound delightful? What's the collateral, Hogan?
Something that you could never hang on to, Flair. The WCW heavyweight title, brother.
Wait a minute, I call the shots. We're making a team. Me and Vader and Macho Man, I want you right here, right now.
I'd love to tear you apart right now.
A team wins both matches or all bets are off.
And whose head am I going to have the pleasure of ripping off, Flair?
No, chump. It's Vader time. It's gonna rip your head off.
You? I was hoping I'd have to have a match where I had to keep my eyes open, Vader.
Save it for the world to see. Save it for the ring, Hogan.
Come on, let's go, come on. Hogan, you did me, brother. Come on, Vader. Woo! Macho, what are you smiling about, buddy? You're next.
Don't be betting on it.
Down you go.
Saturday, on the beach, and bring the escrow papers, Flair.
We'll see you at the beach, Hogan.
Come on, Macho Man, I want to talk to you right now.
Hogan, we're gonna find out who the man is that basketball that is gonna look like you.
Vader, you're mine.
Woo, turn up, big man. You're dead meat, baby.
Nature boy. Hulk's too good at getting in between those ropes. He's too agile for Vader. You know that.
Cage, Taskmaster. Once Vader's got him in the cage, he'll never get away.
Hey man, that chump ain't gonna go for this.
Sure he will. It'll be too late before he finds out. Come on, let's go. Woo!